In this video, we're going to focus on how to round dragged values in the Chartjs Dragdata Plugin in Chartjs. So what we have here so far is like this. As you can see here, look at the tooltip, and as I drag this down, we get far too many data points. And to be honest, it doesn't make any sense to be so precise if you would have something like this. So what we want to do now is to round them accordingly. So let's scroll down here, and this is a very simple item. So let's scroll down here in the drag data object, and within here we can say enter, and all we can do here now is indicate round. And if we say round here, we'll start to allow, and let's say 0.1, we have 1 decimal, comma, save. Oh, sorry, not even 0.1, we just say only 1, save, refresh. And if we drag this now, you can see here now, look at the tooltip, the data is now matching accordingly. And of course, we could do this even more deeper by putting 0. So we have only the absolute values. So this is 17, 15, etc., etc. And there we are. And that's basically how we can play around with the round values.